Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that a man entered the court of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, I have got perished. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what has happened to you? He submitted, I have practiced coitus with my wife while fasting. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, can you manumit a slave? He submitted, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, can you keep fast for 2 consecutive months? He submitted, no. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, can you feed 60 destitute persons? He submitted, I don't have as such capacity. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was presented with an arak full of dates. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, take it and give it as alms. He thereupon submitted, to someone poorer than we are. In between these 2 valleys, there is no one poorer than we are. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, take it and feed your family on it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6711.